Welcome to the channel, Pan-Range Case Studies. We hope that the case studies mentioned here will benefit you in your daily life.
What is data science? Data has become the most commonly used aspect of our lives. Without realizing it, you transmit and receive millions of data every day. Whether you are working or playing or simply streaming a movie, everything works on the transfer of data. With data becoming such an important part of our lives, it is no surprise that data science has become one of the fastest growing career opportunities for interested candidates. To be clear, it is not one single subject. Instead, it consists of a variety of methods and studies that can be applied as necessary to a set of raw or unprocessed data for retrieving the important information from it. It can consist of mathematical modeling, statistical techniques, and even simple business acumen that can be applied to the given data to identify the hidden information or patterns, which ultimately helps a business make its next decision. It is very versatile as it uses the information from the past to determine the best decisions for the present and even develop models for what is in store for the future. What is the reason behind pursuing data science as a career? The internet has made every aspect of our lives much easier. That's why all the fields of the modern world are implementing data science to advance their business in the digital age. It is important to understand that because a lot of business is being conducted by different companies and organizations with the help of the internet. So there is a lot of unprocessed data at the disposal of these businesses, and they want to utilize them for profits. As a result, they need a data scientist who will properly handle the data and extract relevant information from them. It also helps that people from any educational background can become data scientists. Even if you are experienced in coding and writing programs, you will need to learn all the aspects of data science to become one. That's why data scientist is the most sought-after job in recent years. Components involved in data science. It is not a single subject but a wide field comprising different components and aspects that must be mastered if you want to progress with a career in data science. Some of the most popular areas of data science are big data. All the unstructured or raw data generated and collected every time you act as a digital medium is referred to as big data. This data is very important to different organizations and business enterprises because it can reveal information like consumer patterns and predict future behaviors when properly processed. Machine learning. Machine learning has become increasingly popular in the past couple of years among students interested in data science. It generally involves applying mathematical and statistical concepts to the raw data to extract the necessary information from them. This information can help an enterprise plan its marketing strategy. Business acumen. The information extracted from the data is meaningful to the data scientist but not to the people who make business decisions. For their ease, the obtained information has to be transformed into a visual representation that is more understandable for them. Ever since the increase in popularity of data, there has been an increase in the number of institutions providing them.
Thank you for watching.